afternoon, everyone. I am Karan Prashar and I am here to introduce you all to RuPay contactless and wearables. We at NPCI started our journey with the thought of making India a cashless society. NPCI has always been the forefront of innovation and payment technologies. RuPay contactless is a marquee example of the innovation that has enhanced the consumer experience. It solves a trivial problem of digitizing payments in area of poor or no connectivity through its unique offering of offline wallet and thereby enabling offline transactions. RuPay contactless enhances the experience of a transaction by enabling payments with a simple tap of a card. This is simplicity at its best. While payments were simplified through a tap, the challenges still exist in areas with no or poor connectivity, especially in places such as metro stations, underground parking lots, and remote areas. To address this, RuPay Contactless introduces an offline wallet that can be loaded and used for making offline payments. The offline wallet can be loaded using cash or through internet banking. Additionally, RuPay Contactless also supports service area on the card for merchants and operators to offer specific services such as monthly pass, loyalty points, and many more. Through the service area, the card provides usability beyond payments. For example, a university may decide to store student information in one of the service area. A merchant can offer reward points of his customer on the card. Such application makes the RuPay contactless card more than just a payment card. Cards have always been the main form factor since the inception of contactless payments. But the evolving technology has provided opportunity for new form factors such as wearables to carve a space for themselves. Wearable technology have enabled devices such as smartwatches, wristband, jewelry, glasses, and clothing embedded with payment chips for supporting contactless payments. Wearables are able to perform contactless payment using NFC technology with a simple tap of a card. Wearables add to ease and comfort of making payments, especially reducing the need to carry a card or a wallet with you all the time. A payment-capable smartwatch or band is far more convenient for making a payment while you step out for your morning run than carrying a wallet. In another example, while entering a crowded metro station, a simple tap of your smartwatch is better than taking out the card from the wallet. The enhanced experience and convenience provided by the wearables for contactless payments do make a strong case for its wide adoption. Today, we are excited to announce that NPCI is introducing RuPay on the go. Fast, convenient, secure.